Hi, I'm Melody. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to deep fry breaded oysters. We have some ingredients and we'll go over those over here. Here we have some oysters that we bought at the store. They come in a jar. You can get them in many different ways, plus just out in the ocean. So you pick your way to get your oysters and just do this to cook them and you'll be doing fine. You can actually do this type of cooking out on the barbecue and at the beach. We're going to put them into some egg that's been beat. We're going to throw a little flour on it, and then we're going to put it into a breading and smash the breading into the egg and flour mix so that it's covered very well. And it looks like this. We're going to set it right here for a second, and we're going to do another one. See, just put it into the egg. Make sure it's covered. Put it into the flour. That's the messy part. It sticks to your fingers. Get that breading in there. And then you clean off your hands and put them in the deep fryer. Our temperature's at about 375 degrees, and that's an okay temperature. It could be a little bit less if you wanted to have a little bit more time waiting to take them out. I'm just going to go ahead and set this down in there. Try and keep them as flat as possible. Those started, and we'll see how many minutes this takes. All right, I think these are just about done. I'm going to take a look here. Okay. Yep, those are nice and brown. Let me just grab a towel here. My hands are a little damp. I don't want to start a bunch of grease things going on. All right. Now, we said that we were going to make you some nice breaded oysters, and here they are. We tried to keep them as flat as possible. You decorate your plate with little vegetables or whatever you need to do, and there you go. Thank you for watching our segments, and goodbye for now.